Okay, so POLATAP makes a Bluetooth receiver that connects to this device so you can have noise-canceling headsets on the earplugs on the go. You want to try them out?
Okay.
Oh, you sure?
Super noisy.
Yeah, that.
Okay.
So you can still hear New York City, right?
What?
Okay. Way I train right now?
There it is.
Okay.
There it is. I can't hear anything now.
Can't hear anything.
Nope.
I can't hear anything.
Oh. I don't hear nothing.
I can't hear anything about the cars and stuff.
There's no noise, right? Isn't that magical? Do you hear the sirens?
What siren?
It's a pretty cool feature, right?
Yeah, it is.
And this is, could you believe me if I told you this was under $50?
Really?
Yeah. Here, you can have a Bluetooth speaker on the go, play music. It also can charge your phone.
I'll buy it right now. It's true, I'll buy it right now.
What do you think about living in New York City and having these to use all the time?
Need them here, definitely.
Yeah.
I've been here for maybe 4 hours and I'm already overwhelmed with how much noise there is relative to Fort Lauderdale.
And it's pretty cool that you could be able to have these and cancel out all the noise, but still be able to talk to someone.
Yeah, it's interesting. Yeah.
What's the name of these?
POLATAP.
POLATAP.